We are at Dayton Hamvention 26. I'm here with John, KI5QKX, and Rebecca says there's something new about the 44Net, the 44Net Connect.
That's right. We're telling everybody about 44Net Connect. It's the newest way to bring 44Net to your devices. It uses a WireGuard tunnel to one of our points of presence. We have them in Toronto, Dallas, Frankfurt. Others are coming up, so that you can get 44Net on any device that supports WireGuard, whether it's connected via satellite, CGNet, cellular, random fiber, who knows. This is a great way to get on if IPIP Mesh has been a challenge, or if you don't have access to an ISP that will announce BGP for you.
Okay.
Available like everything 44Net at no cost if you're a licensed ham.
And that CGNet, so that includes Starlink.
That includes Starlink.
Okay.
We have a lot of people with remote repeater sites or just remote stations. They're connected with Starlink, maybe LTE, maybe 5G. And there's a lot of CGNet there, and you can't forward ports all the way to your device if you wanted remote access, right?
Right.
So with 44Net, you get a live, public, globally routable IP that you can access directly. You don't have to do any port forwarding. The device is on the internet, which, by the way, people get surprised when they see how much is coming into that public internet address.
Right.
So you're going to want to have your firewall turned on, but yeah, you're right on the internet. No chicanery required.
Perfect. Okay. And where do they go to sign up for all this?
The place to start is AMPR.org, AMPR.org. That'll take you to our wiki, and from there you can get a link to the 44Net Connect dashboard. You'll get a link to the portal where you sign up and get your license verified. And we've got loads of documentation there to walk you through the process.
Perfect. All right, John, thanks. Hope you have a good show.
Oh, my pleasure. Thanks for stopping
I'm going to
by.
go sign up for that like when we get home. So.
Yeah. If you're watching and you're here, come hit us up at 1302.
Good. Thanks, man.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yep.